Sometimes wow is how. One moment, one word, one person. That's all it takes sometimes to pull us out of the pit and into the next chapter of our lives. During a particularly discouraging season in my life, when I felt like everyone who should have been for me had turned against me, I found myself giving up on my passion and calling. That is until one day, one friend said one word and it changed everything. I was in a coffee shop trying to figure out what I was going to do with my life after ministry. I'd been a student pastor for about 16 years, working with young people in a variety of settings. It was the only thing I knew that I was really good at, and it was over until that coffee shop. A good friend walked into this shared workspace coffee shop, walked over to me, and he said, "Hey man, I've gathered like 6 to 8 pastors today to talk about student ministry, and both of the people who were going to present to them canceled. What are you doing for the next 15 minutes? Can you come talk to them about student ministry?" Yeah, no prep, no heart, kind of feeling like I'm a washed up ex-player in the game, but I said yes because I had nothing to do. I walked into that meeting unsure of why I was even doing it, and I walked out a brand new person, all because of one word my friend kept saying, "Wow." Over and over and over again, he watched and listened as I shared some stories, gave some pointers, answered some questions, and encouraged some pastors. "Wow, man. Wow. Oh, wow." He kept saying it. And by the end of the meeting, he asked me if I was interested in working for him, which I was not, but later I did. I'd been sinking into the sin of self-loathing, self-doubt, and bitterness, and I needed the words of a friend to pull me out. We all do. That's why the author of Hebrews wrote these words, "But encourage one another day after day, as long as it's called today, so that none of you will be hardened by the deceitfulness of sin." If you and I are going to keep ourselves from giving up, we need the encouragement of our friends, and our friends need the encouragement from us. Who have you encouraged lately? Who's doing a great job? Who can you build up? You never know. A simple word. Say wow to somebody today. It might turn their whole world around. There are people out there wondering how they're going to make it today, how they're going to turn the corner. And what they need, what they're craving, what might make a difference is a little wow from a friend. They may not know how to move forward, but now you know that sometimes wow is how. So go say wow to somebody today.